Hey there, welcome back to the Tech Goat channel. Have you ever felt like you haven't learned anything substantial in college yet? Well, I've got some exciting news for you. Introducing the government internship that will revolutionize your knowledge and career opportunities. This is NITI Aayog's official internship program, and let me tell you, there are no limits to what you can achieve. Whether you're a postgraduate, undergraduate, or even a PhD student, you can apply and become a part of this incredible opportunity. But here's the best part. Applications for this internship open every month, starting from the 1st to the 10th. That's right. You have the chance to learn practical solutions, gain insights into how the government functions, how policies are made, signed, and implemented. The duration is flexible, ranging from 6 weeks to 6 months. And once you complete this internship, you'll receive a prestigious certificate signed by the Prime Minister himself. Just imagine the worth of such an accolade. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and check out NITI Aayog's government internship. Start applying today and enhance your skills to the fullest. And don't forget to stay tuned to the Tech Goat channel for more exciting videos like this. See you later.